Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can match cut an audio in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this audio and add it to track, and to match cut it, I'm just going to select this or select Ctrl J on my keyboard. So I'm just going to zoom in to just show you. There will be these yellow dots when I match cut an audio, and to delete, to clear it, I'm just going to use this and it will remove everything, but this one will just remove the one that I have selected. For instance, I want to remove this one. Just remove it by pressing the same button, or again pressing Ctrl J on your keyboard like so. So there is an auto match cut, but it only works with audio that is provided to you on CapCut. So if you go to audio and add this one in, you can use the auto beat option here. There's beat 1 and there's also beat 2, but I don't think you can use it for your own audio, so keep that in mind. That is basically it. Super simple, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!